What is going on, guys? Clay with EKNIVES.com. I have here a pair of Bond knives called the Huli Maka Flip. It's Hawaiian style. Mike Bond is the brainchild behind Ti2 Design. These are freaking stupid smooth. I mean, ridiculous. This particular one right here is not for sale. This is actually my personal model. He gave me this, but he didn't give it to me. He sold it to me, but I got this one from him last year. Actually, I got it Blade Show this year, sorry. This is one of the first ones he's made. He hasn't done a ton of these, but this is his own model. He's done a lot of collabs, like the Shylock with Sebastian of Borka Blades. But this is his own design. Everything is his, and this is called the Black Hula finish. It's got a really cool color. It changes color in the sunlight. But this model is for sale, and it's on my website now. It's got a TRD coating on it, which is super, super durable. Cool pattern. Blasted blade. This thing is really, really cool. Super, super smooth. Anyway, Huli Maka Flip from Bond Knives. If you don't know who Bond Knives is, it's Mike Bond. Okay, so Mike has done a ton of stuff, but what he is best known for is this pin, which is called the Techliner pin. It's got a magnetic cap and writes really, really awesome. He also is the guy behind these, along with CW lights, and this is the Pele, which is burnt out at the moment. Lovely. And he also does some other EDC tools. So that's Mike Bond of Ti2 Design. But this is his model called the Huli Maka Flip, and I have the bottom one for sale right now on my website, eknives.com. Call or text 423-525-9477. You can email me, Clayton at eknives.com. Thanks.